Meaning of inferiority complex.
Inferiority complex.
Inferiority complex.
Inferiority complex.
Inferiority complex. Inferiority complex refers to a persistent feeling of inadequacy and self-doubt that often stems from early life experiences such as rejection, criticism, or neglect. Individuals with an inferiority complex often feel inferior to others, have low self-esteem, and struggle with feelings of incompetence. This can lead to a range of negative outcomes, including anxiety, depression, social withdrawal, and difficulty forming close relationships. It can also manifest in behaviors such as overcompensating for perceived shortcomings, avoiding challenges out of fear of failure, or being overly critical of oneself and others.